Hi, my name is Prince. In this part of our class, we will figure out what input output devices will be needed to complete our automation task. And this is the part 2 in this series. At this point, I will want to sectionalize the electrical system of our project. This will simplify our tasks and enable us focus on specific aspects of our control system design. The sections for our systems are power circuits, our control circuits, which is also our sequential control circuits, our heating control circuits, and motor control circuits. So let's talk about the power circuit. Electrical energy is required to power output devices and certain input devices. And most injection molding machines are designed to operate on three-phase power supply. So we want to assume we are designing a system with a three-phase power supply requirement. Important factors to note is that power control elements must be chosen based on the current and voltage requirements of the system in question. And also a balanced system must be implemented to reduce imbalance or completely eliminate imbalance. So now let's talk about some other controls that will be needed for us to implement a control system for the power section. First on the list is a circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an electrical switch designed to protect an electrical system from damage caused by overcurrent or short circuits. So we will refer to this circuit breaker as our main circuit breaker. Identifying it as our main circuit breaker will enable us differentiate it from other circuit breakers we will be introducing subsequently in this project. We are also going to need connectors. Our power cable will drop on 3 terminal connectors before proceeding to the circuit breaker. We will need relays. If you do not know the principle of operation of relays, please leave a comment. I'll probably make a short video explaining the principle of operation of a relay, or even make a practical section showing how to use the relay in automation. We will be using 3 different 220 to 240 electromagnetic relay for 3 different power control purposes. The first one we will call ROC. We will also tag this relay ROC. This relay will switch and allow the flow of current to the power supply module or power supply unit. The second relay we will tag ROC. This relay will switch and allow the flow of current to the heating control circuit. And the third relay is ROM. This relay will switch and allow the flow of current to the motor control circuit. The events we just highlighted will take place immediately the main circuit breaker is switched on. So at this point, it is also important we tag our main circuit breaker. So for the purpose of this lesson, I am going to tag our main circuit breaker capital letter M with a subscript small letter m. In this project, we are also going to need a power supply unit. The power supply unit for our project is an AC to DC converter. Our goal is to step our voltage down from 220 volts AC to a 24 volts DC supply. We also need connectors because it will be nice to first drop our 220 volts on terminal blocks before they proceed to the control relay. So we are going to need connectors for this purpose. So let's have a quick recap of the electrical components we will be needing to develop our power control circuit for this project. There are a total of 7 of them, I believe. The main circuit breaker, the relay, which we have tagged RC, responsible for power control to the power supply unit. We have tagged the second relay, RT, which is responsible for power control to the heating circuit. We have a third relay, ROM, responsible for controlling the motor circuit. We also have a power supply unit and terminal blocks. In this case, we have 2 terminal blocks, a 3-phase terminal blocks, and probably say up to 9 or 8 blocks that we'll be using for determination of our 220 volts, so we can pick voltage from those blocks to the relay. I hope you have followed this lesson, and the next thing you see will be the circuit diagram for our power supply unit. If you have questions, kindly leave it on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe so you can follow this training. And if you have benefited from this lesson, also give it a like.